Hey, good morning, guys. I'm sorry there's a second video, but I forgot a couple things in my first video, so I'm just going to add them very quickly. First of all, I wanted to address those of you who didn't know that you had to annotate. I've gotten about 10 or 15 requests asking to redo your Cask of Amontillado. It's right here. Okay, that tells me that you're not reading directions or you're not watching my videos that I'm creating because I took time to show you how to annotate. Okay, so let's make sure we're reading the directions a little bit more in depth. Okay, so I will go through and unsubmit those for the people who have requested it, and you can redo the assignment. It will probably make you redo the questions, but that's how it works. If I unsubmit it, it doesn't save anything. So what I wanted to do is I've already gone through all this in my first video, but I forgot to add this scavenger hunt, and I wanted to address this because this is extra credit, and it is worth 50 points, which is very, very, very generous for this class, and it should help a lot of you quite a bit if you want to do it. The catch, however, is that it has to be done by Monday, the 28th, and I'm not taking late submissions because it's late work, or it's extra credit, okay? But it shouldn't hopefully be terribly hard if you've read the story, but you're just going to upload your scavenger hunt that it will ask you to make a copy of. So I wanted to show you just kind of what it is, okay, if you wanted to do it. I've done it before. All of the answers are in there in the text, okay? So it's going to ask you some questions on the side over here in the pink, and you're going to put the answers in here. And I want text evidence as much as you can. So like the first question is, what point of view is it narrated in and how do you know? So you're going to tell me it is blah, blah, blah point of view because, and you're going to find a piece in the text that shows it says a certain word that tells you the point of view, okay? Then it asks you a couple things like find the words. And this is what I wanted to show you. Because we are working online, this is something that my students in previous years have not had because we've done paper copies. So if you hit the Control F button on your keyboards, and this should work on the Chromebooks as well. So Control F, it pops up a little box up here. And if you start typing, so if I'm looking for the 1,000 injuries of Fortunato, I'm just going to start typing the 1,000 injuries. Oh, and look, it's highlighting what I need to find. So that's actually really helpful because there's several places where it says find the words, or, you know, if you're looking for a certain section, you can start typing where you think it might be in the story, and it will highlight it for you, so it should make it easier to find the answers, okay? Because there's a lot of these like fill in the blank things, okay? So that might be helpful. The scavenger hunt is 29 questions long, okay? And then just do your best with it. And if you have questions, let me know.